Hi friends, in this video let's learn about supplier interface in Java. The java.util.function.supplier interface in Java is a part of the Java functional interface which is introduced in Java 8. Okay, supplier interface results which does not take any arguments uh, but it provides a result. Okay, that result is typically generated or fetched on demand when we call the get method of the supplier interface. Okay, so this interface is commonly used in scenarios where we need easily compute, especially when the computation might be resource intensive or needs to be delayed until it's actually needed. Okay, so this is short intro about the supplier interface. Now let's see about the method in supplier interface. Supplier interface defines a single abstract method which is tget. Okay, t where the get, this get method returns the value of type t. Okay, so let's dive into code demo for supplier interface. Here I do have one class with name supplier code. So let's write code to see the demo of supplier interface. Now let's create a supplier that provides a random integer. Okay, so let's proceed. Write the name of the interface, supplier of integer type, and the variable is random supplier. Okay, now let's generate one lambda expression having no parameter. Lambda operator, integer data type, and method math dot random. Call the method math dot random, and the random number we will get, the random number up to number 40. So friends, what we have done here, we import the supplier functional interface. We create a supplier of integer type called random supplier. So this supplier takes no arguments and generates a random integer between 0 to 40 when the get method will called. So let's store that get method in the variable random value. Random supplier dot get. Okay friends, so here we have using random supplier to get a random number and then we are going to print that number to the console. Okay friends, so let's write code to get the random number as output to the console. Okay, using the method system.out.println. Pass the message as random number plus variable random value. Okay, so friends, this supplier interface is useful in various situations where we need to provide or compute values on demand, such as generating random numbers, reading configuration settings, or fetching data from a database when required. It supports deferred execution and can improve performance by delaying the execution of potentially expensive operations until they are actually needed. Okay friends, so here we have done our complete code for supplier interface. It's time to get output to the console, so let's run our code. So here is our output, random number is 23. If we again run our code, we will get different random number between 0 to 40. So let's do that. You can see that right now the random number is 36, and if we again run our code, we will get a different number from 0 to 40. You can see that we do have an output random number as 1. If you again run your code, now the random number is 32. So friends, in this way we can use the supplier interface to get the output as a random number. So this is all about supplier interface in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Please make my efforts worth. Please add value to my videos. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding, happy coding. Thank you once again.